regenerate traffic, recreate attraction, avoid customers abandoning overflowing carts due to incessant wait times during checkout. Know that nothing is by chance, it's the Extends Minute. Hello, everyone. Hello, Emmanuel. You are the founder of Extends Consulting. You are therefore specialized in acquisitions, customer experience, and staffing. So, Emmanuel, a little reminder of the concept of our videos. After the question, you have 1 minute to give us one of the techniques that will allow customers to return to making purchases in hardware stores comfortably. Are you ready?
Yes.
Clock started, let's go. How do you think hardware stores can comfortably bring customers back into their retail stores?
First of all, we must create a pleasurable experience. And for example, turn the wait time into a recreational experience with actors, musicians. The second idea is to revive the joy of trying or changing store products by merely being able to print a barcode and scanning it once inside the store.
So I imagine that to allow customers to be aware of what is going on in these stores, you must convey a specific message. How would that work?
The messages must speak to each of us. That is to say, they must be personalized. Let me give you an example. Someone pragmatic, let's call him for instance, Mr. Durability. We could say, with us, you will always have excellent prices, easy returns, exchanges, and in addition, you will have a good time.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel, for these tips. Join us in our next video where we will discuss dental practices.